Welcome back to Nappy Cat. We're so glad that you can join us today. In today's video, we're going to talk about a really cool kitty from the war. Yes, from 1945. This kitty's name was Salty, and Salty was a beautiful San Diego Coast Guard mascot kitty. Yes, she was at the San Diego Coast Guard Air Station. Wow. Oh, she was just a darling. She was a mother, a beautiful black, white, and gray looking marble tabby who had 2 kittens that she brought with her in this incident that got her famous. And one of those little kittens was a ginger. Well, there was an incident where a pilot had gone down. And Salty, being a kitty, ninja'd aboard. Not only did she ninja, she brought her 2 kittens. She ninja'd them aboard. Yes, she did. Yeah. And they joined the rescue effort on the mission to save that gentleman aboard an amphibian reconnaissance plane. Wow! Well, the chief, Drybadell, found her and the kitten on board when they had already rescued the pilot and they were returning to port. Yes, and what does he find aboard? He finds a kitty. Not only her, but her kittens too. She became famous for being the first cat to participate in a Coast Guard offshore plane rescue. Yeah, she had gone quite some way, as you can tell, because she was the pet kitty of Catherine Martin, who also served at the San Diego base. Yes, and she got very famous. Yes, when she helped rescue. I think that's really amazing. And I love being able to share about these darling mascots who helped during times of war and great difficulty. Yes, yes indeed, she was amazing. And I thank all of you for sharing in this video today. Yes, it is an absolute pleasure to bring these to you and to share this playful nappy with you as well. Thank you all so very much for watching our video today. If you like the contents of our videos, don't you forget to take those paws and paw that like button. You can paw the subscription button and all of these cute little wings. Such cute little wings. And you can paw the notification bell like Neffy's doing. So that you can see all of Neffy Cat's videos. Well, thank you all so very much. And we